Decided to close your Chase bank account but worried about making mistakes? If you're not sure of the proper steps, you're not alone. Today, we're closing a Chase bank account the right way. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Closing an account properly ensures you don't face unexpected fees or damage your banking history. Step 1. Empty the account completely. Transfer or withdraw all funds from the account. Ensure there are no pending transactions that could deposit money or create a negative balance after you initiate closure. Step 2. Contact Chase to formally close. You'll need to call Chase customer service or visit a branch to officially close the account. Online or mobile closure isn't typically available. Have your account information and identification ready. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: get written confirmation of the account closure. Whether you close by phone or in branch, request written confirmation that the account has been closed. This protects you if the account somehow remains open and incurs fees later. So, just like that, you can cleanly sever your relationship with Chase. Proper account closure goes a long way in maintaining a clean banking history. Now I'm curious, what was your main reason for deciding to close your Chase account? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.